This is how I grab scalable vector-based city maps from Cad Mapper and bring them into Figma to use as base layers or design references. Perfect for creating art, urban planning, site analysis, or overlaying designs on real-world geography. No manual tracing needed. First, head over to cadmapper.com. Type your location you want. I'll put Brighton and zoom into the pavilion. The left panel controls what gets included. Click and drag a selection box around the area you want. Because it is a SVG vector I want, switch the output to Illustrator. But note you can use this in 3D design software too. Click Create File at the bottom right and unzip the file once it has downloaded. Now switch to Figma and drag the SVG file onto the canvas. There you go, a clean, scalable drawing of Brighton. With this as a base layer, you can now add details and colour as necessary.